Ever since the release of water after Natal, the flow of water in the Dadu Canal has been running at 1,000 to 1,500 cusecs, so most of the branches and distributaries are down and the rest of the water is not able to cross the modules. For example, my land on 2nd Road of Payaro distributary is 100 acres where no drop of water has reached yet, while the total length of Payaro distributary is 122 rd. My 11-acre land is between 17 and 18 rd, but there is not a single drop of water left, while the total length of Rahoja minar is 47 rd. 50%. My planting time has passed, the sugarcane crop has been destroyed, there is no water to plant rice and vegetables, last year's heavy rains have already worsened the condition of the villagers, and this is a lot of water shortage. Big blow, the situation is hopeless, they will understand and save the poor residents from economic carnage. By Brahmani, General Secretary of Badgar Agricultural Association District Dadu.